The break-even section is probably one of the most important data points and categories that you'll find, especially the break-even strength over here. The break-even dollar amount is calculated considering your cost of goods and all the expenses involved. This one here is getting $9.79. So if it's sold above $9.79, it's a profit. If it's below, it's a loss. Now below that, we can see the buy box current, which is at $12.89, the highest and the lowest buy box, and the historic averages, 30, 90, and 180-day average. Now the break-even strength is one of the most important data points that Astro displays. It tells you if you've been historically profitable or not. So if we were to open up the chart, this product here is getting an average reading. So let's go back to the chart and take a look at that. There are times where the buy box is below and above the break-even line. So this is based on a cost of goods price of $3. If we were to increase the cost of goods to, let's say, $5 and scroll back down, we'll see a lot of red here. We see the break-even line jumped up quite a bit higher, and we can see this has a very weak score at the moment. If we were to adjust it and take it down to, let's say, $1.50, notice the line is quite a bit below the buy box, and this is now getting a good reading. If we were to go even cheaper, let's assume we get it for 50 cents, it now has an excellent score.